Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode on the 94 truck. On today's video, we are not going to be working on the bed, but we are going to be working probably on the differential down here and some PR15 that we kind of got to finish up over here. The battery's dead, so we can't really move the truck out of the garage to get some space. So we're going to do what we got to do right now to just get this all together. We also got to put that shock on, so we got some other stuff to do before we even get to the bed anyway. So we're just gonna get that differential cover off and start. Is that what we're doing, right?
Yep, that's what we're doing.
This, it uses a 13 millimeter.
Metric, yeah.
I got one more down here, or no, two more. Oops. This one, that one's stuck on. I need that 12 again. Got it. Let me get this 13. I guess we're taking this off because we gotta paint. See how this is? Then paint, so then we can put the shock back on too.
Yeah.
So we can paint all at once. There we go. That's pretty dark stuff. I'm kind of excited to see what's under here. Oh.
Just let her drain there a minute.
That's what we got, guys. Not bad, I don't know.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. That's crazy, all these gears and stuff.
Yep.
This cover looks pretty okay.
Might be okay. We'll clean her up. It might be able to reuse it.
All right, guys, well, we're just gonna clean this up and we'll show you when we get this all ready. Guys, this is the diff cover right here. We're just cleaning this up a little bit and sanding it down. He's sanding over there I don't know. But we gotta clean all this rust off you see down here. It's pretty bad. And then this gasket on here is from 1996. He said he got it replaced 2 years after he bought it. So I'm just gonna get at this and keep working. Well, guys, we just cleaned it. Look at this. We just put some of the degreaser on it, and man, it really really cleaned up a lot better. So and we cleaned up the back too, so that's looking really good. We just have to get a gasket. We don't have that yet, and we're gonna paint this with PR15. And we got some other spots on the truck here that we still have to paint. The shock mounts under the differential. Just a few little areas that we missed. So we just gotta do that. And other than that, we're practically done with the rear end. But we do just gotta get that put on, put some new, oil on there, and then we're good. But for now, we still got a little bit to do.
I also got to drill this hole out.
Right here, because, you know, it's a little bigger over there. And, I think that's going to wrap up our video today, guys. Really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.